The moment you stop chasing, texting, and seeking validation, everything changes. No contact isn't about punishing someone. It's about reclaiming your peace. Many people believe constant communication keeps love alive, but in reality, endless availability often removes the mystery and appreciation. When you choose silence, you stop feeding emotional dependency and start building self-respect. A man who took your presence for granted suddenly realizes that your attention was valuable. Your absence creates space for reflection, and that silence often speaks louder than 1,000 emotional conversations. The greatest transformation during no contact isn't what happens to him, it's what happens to you. You become stronger, more confident, and emotionally independent. That inner growth naturally increases your attractiveness because confidence is magnetic. When you stop waiting for someone to choose you, you begin choosing yourself. And that's when people often notice your worth. When you decide to stop reaching out, stop chasing, and stop seeking constant reassurance, something remarkable begins to happen. The biggest change isn't in the other person first. It happens within you. No contact is often misunderstood as a strategy to make someone miss you, but its real purpose is to help you reconnect with yourself. Every message you choose not to send becomes a reminder that your peace is worth protecting. Every day you resist the urge to seek validation strengthens your emotional discipline. Instead of investing all your energy into someone else's choices, you begin investing in your own future, your own happiness, and your own personal growth. Many people believe that love requires constant effort from one side, but healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, not endless pursuit. When you are always available, always responding instantly, and always trying to fix every problem alone, your value can become overlooked. Human nature often appreciates what is earned rather than what is constantly given away. By stepping back, you allow both yourself and the other person to experience the true impact of your absence. Silence removes distractions and reveals reality more clearly than endless conversations ever could. During this period, your confidence begins to grow naturally. You spend more time improving your mindset, building better habits, strengthening your body, developing new skills, and reconnecting with friends and family. Your life becomes fuller because your happiness is no longer tied to someone else's attention. That quiet confidence changes the way you carry yourself. You stop reacting emotionally to every situation because you understand your worth isn't determined by someone's texts, calls, or approval. People are naturally drawn to individuals who possess inner peace and emotional stability. As you become more secure within yourself, your energy changes, your standards become higher, and your presence carries a quiet strength that cannot be ignored. The greatest shift happens when you realize that your value was never dependent on chasing someone. It was always found in respecting yourself, protecting your peace, and choosing a life that reflects your confidence rather than your fears. Distance has a unique way of revealing feelings that constant communication often hides. When conversations stop and everyday contact disappears, emotions are no longer clouded by routine, arguments, or temporary frustration. This is one of the biggest reasons many men return after a period of no contact. The silence creates space for reflection. Without your daily presence, he begins to notice what your role truly was in his life. The small things he once overlooked, your encouragement, your laughter, your kindness, and your emotional support, become much more noticeable once they're gone. People rarely understand the value of consistency until they experience its absence. When someone has unlimited access to your time and attention, it's easy for them to assume you'll always be there. No contact interrupts that expectation. It forces both people to experience life without each other, and that experience often brings emotional clarity. Instead of reacting to temporary emotions, he begins thinking about the relationship from a broader perspective. Memories that once seemed ordinary suddenly carry emotional weight because they can no longer be recreated. This period of distance also allows you to see the relationship more objectively. Without constant texting or emotional ups and downs, your mind becomes calmer. You begin recognizing patterns you may have ignored before. You notice whether the relationship was balanced, whether your efforts were appreciated, and whether your needs were truly being met. Emotional clarity is not only for the person who left. It is equally important for the person who stayed. As time passes, genuine feelings often become stronger while temporary attraction begins to fade. If his connection to you was real, he will likely remember the qualities that made your relationship meaningful rather than focusing on superficial reasons for the breakup. That's why many men return, not because they suddenly became lonely overnight, but because distance gave them the opportunity to understand what they lost. At the same time, your own clarity allows you to decide whether welcoming him back aligns with your values, your self-respect, and the future you truly deserve. The power of no contact isn't simply that it makes someone think about you. It's that it gives both people the opportunity to see the truth without the noise of constant emotion. One of the most powerful things that happens during no contact is something many people never expect. You begin to grow into a stronger version of yourself. Instead of spending your days wondering why he hasn't called or what he's thinking, you start redirecting that energy toward your own life. Every hour you once spent overanalyzing messages can now be invested in building confidence, improving your health, developing your career, learning new skills, or pursuing dreams that were placed on hold. That personal growth becomes the most attractive transformation of all because it comes from genuine self-improvement, not from trying to impress someone else. Real confidence isn't created by receiving attention from others. It comes from keeping promises to yourself. Every workout you complete, every goal you achieve, every book you finish, and every challenge you overcome reminds you that your happiness is within your control. You no longer wake up waiting for a notification to determine your mood. Instead, your purpose becomes bigger than the relationship that once consumed your thoughts. That shift changes your energy in ways people can immediately notice. Men are naturally curious when they see someone who has genuinely moved forward. They expect sadness, constant reaching out, or attempts to win them back. But when they see someone who is smiling again, accomplishing goals, enjoying life, and carrying themselves with quiet confidence, it often challenges everything they expected. Your transformation becomes impossible to ignore because it reflects strength rather than dependence. It shows that you refuse to let disappointment define your future. The most inspiring part is that this growth benefits you regardless of whether he returns. You become emotionally stronger, mentally wiser, and far more selective about the people you allow into your life. Your standards rise because you finally recognize your own value. You stop accepting inconsistent effort, mixed signals, or empty promises because you understand that genuine love is built on respect, trust, and consistency. Ironically, this is often when a man begins to reconsider his decision. He sees someone who is no longer chasing him but chasing their own purpose. Confidence has a magnetic quality that cannot be faked, and people are naturally drawn to those who radiate peace, ambition, and self-respect. Whether he comes back or not, your greatest achievement is becoming someone who no longer needs another person's approval to feel complete. That kind of growth creates a life filled with confidence, freedom, and opportunities that extend far beyond any single relationship. One of the biggest reasons many men return after no contact is because they finally experience the reality of your absence. While the relationship was still active, your presence may have become part of his daily routine. Your messages, your support, your attention, and even the little conversations throughout the day were always there. It's easy for someone to overlook the value of those moments when they assume they will never disappear. But once no contact begins, that routine is suddenly interrupted. and the emotional space you once filled becomes impossible to replace overnight. At first, he may distract himself with work, friends, hobbies, or even the excitement of having more freedom. But distractions eventually fade, and reality has a way of catching up. The familiar good morning messages are gone. The person who celebrated his victories and encouraged him during difficult moments is no longer present. Everyday situations begin to remind him of the memories you created together. A favorite restaurant, a song, a movie, or even a simple place you both visited can trigger thoughts he wasn't expecting. The absence becomes more noticeable because your value is no longer something he experiences. It becomes something he remembers. This is when emotions often become stronger than they were during the relationship. Human nature tends to recognize the importance of something after it has been lost. It's not always immediate. Sometimes it takes weeks or even months before the emotional weight of your absence fully settles in. During that time, he begins asking himself difficult questions. Was the breakup the right decision? Did he take your love for granted? Could the relationship have been different if he had appreciated you more? Those questions arise naturally when there is enough silence to allow honest reflection. While he is processing those emotions, you are building a healthier and more fulfilling life. Instead of waiting for him to notice your absence, you are creating a future that doesn't depend on his return. That mindset is what truly separates confidence from desperation. If he comes back because he finally understands what he lost, you are no longer making decisions from fear of being alone. You are making them from a place of strength, wisdom, and self-respect. By the time he realizes the value of what he lost, you have already discovered the value of yourself. And that gives you the clarity to accept only the love, effort, and commitment you truly deserve. One of the most important lessons you can learn during no contact is that someone returning does not automatically mean they have truly changed. Many people become excited the moment an ex reaches out again, believing that the relationship will naturally be better this time. But a message, a phone call, or an apology is only the beginning. Real change is never measured by words alone. It is measured by consistent actions over time. Before opening the door again, you must ask yourself whether the person coming back is different from the one who walked away. Sometimes a man returns because he genuinely realizes your value and has taken responsibility for his mistakes. He may have spent time reflecting, growing emotionally, and understanding what caused the relationship to fail. In those situations, there is potential for rebuilding trust because growth has taken place on both sides. However, there are also times when someone comes back simply because they feel lonely, miss the comfort you provided, or realize they haven't found the same connection elsewhere. Missing your presence is not the same as being ready to become a better partner. This is why your own transformation during no contact is so important. While you were focusing on healing, improving yourself, and strengthening your confidence, you also developed something even more valuable: discernment. You no longer judge someone by beautiful promises or emotional speeches. Instead, you observe how they behave. Do they communicate consistently? Do they respect your boundaries? Do they take accountability without making excuses? Do their actions match their words? These are the questions that protect your heart from repeating the same painful cycle. Your standards should never be lowered because someone decides to return. In fact, they should be higher than ever. Self-respect means understanding that love without trust, consistency, and mutual effort cannot create a healthy relationship. If he truly values you now, he will be willing to earn back your trust through patience, honesty, and dependable actions rather than expecting immediate forgiveness. The greatest advantage of no contact is that it changes your mindset. You stop asking, how can I make him stay? And begin asking, does this relationship deserve a place in my life? That single shift puts you back in control. Whether he returns or not, your happiness no longer depends on someone else's decision. You recognize your worth, protect your peace, and choose relationships that reflect the love, respect, and commitment you are willing to give yourself first. The greatest victory of no contact is not that a man comes back. It is that you become someone who no longer needs him to complete your happiness. At the beginning, silence can feel uncomfortable. You may wonder if he is thinking about you, if he will ever reach out, or if the relationship is truly over. Those thoughts are natural. But as the days pass, something incredible begins to happen. You stop counting the days since the last message and start counting the progress you've made in your own life. Your focus shifts from waiting for someone else's decision to creating a future that reflects your own goals, dreams, and values. As you continue to grow, your confidence becomes genuine rather than forced. You no longer seek approval because you've learned to approve of yourself. You discover that peace is far more valuable than constant uncertainty. The emotional highs and lows that once controlled your mood begin to disappear because your happiness is now built on a stronger foundation. You realize that your worth has never depended on how often someone texts you, calls you, or chooses you. Your worth has always existed, and no contact simply helped you see it more clearly. Ironically, this is often when a man notices the biggest difference. He no longer sees the person who was constantly available or seeking reassurance. Instead, he sees someone who is confident, emotionally balanced, and focused on living a meaningful life. That kind of transformation naturally attracts attention because real confidence cannot be manufactured. It comes from overcoming disappointment, healing from heartbreak, and refusing to let temporary pain define your future. If he decides to return, you are no longer making decisions from fear, loneliness, or emotional dependence. You are choosing from a place of wisdom and self-respect. You understand that a healthy relationship should add peace to your life, not take it away. If his actions demonstrate honesty, consistency, and genuine commitment, then rebuilding may be possible. If they do not, you have the strength to walk away without losing yourself. That is the true purpose of no contact. It teaches you that your life does not stop because someone leaves. Every challenge becomes an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Whether he comes back or never looks back, you have already achieved something far more valuable than reconciliation. You have reclaimed your confidence, rediscovered your purpose, and built a life that no longer depends on anyone else's validation. Once you reach that level of emotional freedom, you stop chasing love and start attracting relationships that are built on mutual respect, trust, and genuine commitment.